First of all, congratulations. It's like I would like to tell everyone. It's like Miraj was a student of. I mean, he has taken both the courses, DSA and System Design both, and he was successfully able to crack multiple offers. So I think without wasting any time, I would like to give you only the call as like the mic that you can share your experience and all about how was your journey with Get SC Ready. How did you get to know about the course and all? So yeah.
Yeah, so first of all, thank you for this call. I would like to share my experience. So it was like around March or April time when I was looking for courses around each and every platform. I want to switch to another company. So that time I was going to multiple platform like scalers and all that stuff. So but their courses were very expensive, like 3.5 LPA, 2.6 LPA. So least I got was from one platform, it was 1.6 like. So those were very expensive courses. So I was like afraid to how I will afford all these things. So that time I just came to know about Get SD Ready from Instagram post. So from that I came to know about it. Then after that, when I saw the prices, it was like just seriously so much affordable. How come a platform can give me this much affordable price and that too in live classes and daily doubt session and all that stuff. So I was like, no, ये हो नहीं सकता है, कुछ fraud हो सकता है. Then it's like I just so मैंने क्या किया LinkedIn पे जा करके कुछ कनेक्शन देखे एटलासियन में कौन काम करता है कौन कौन है मेरे कॉलेज. So then I just talk to them that hey, can you verify that Arun is working in Atlassian or not? कोई जेन्युइन बंदा है कि नहीं मतलब तो मतलब उनको विश्वास नहीं होता मतलब सीरियसली. तो उसके बाद यार ही इज वर्किंग इन Atlassian. तो उसके बाद हमने like I gone through the class videos which were there on YouTube. Then I saw that yeah, I will able to understand all the concept from. उसके बाद I got enrolled. I was in April batch. Started with DSA course over there, and then gradually going to system design courses after I got finished in August. In August month, it got finished. So experience, if I talk about it, so my instructor was Karthikeyan for DSA, and it was like it's it's like too much to tell about it how simply he have told each and every concept. So previously, like I was very much afraid of whole DSA only, not specific topic. Whole DSA, like when I go for interviews. So first round was DSA only, and at that point only I was getting rejected. And after that, when Karthikeyan used to start teaching each and every concept, so each and every concept was getting clear to me. Like first of all, he started in complex topics like recursion. रिकर्जन मतलब फिबोनाची सीरीज और फैक्टोरियल के अलावा तुम सब समझ नहीं आता कैसे क्या करती है तो दो दो लाइन लिख करके पूरा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाता था. तो वो चीज़ ना कार्तिक ने जब व्हेन ही एक्सप्लेन ईच एंड एवरी रिकर्सिव ट्री and all that stuff, how to think it, and how to make recursive tree, then how you have to write the code in it. So the way he have explained me, similarly I have put into my mind, and similarly I able to solve every question of recursion. Then upon that we were having backtracking also, that I was able to do with same concept of like making recursive tree and how he explained. And after that, upon backtracking also that and recursive only also that we were having dynamic programming. So that also similarly the way he have explained me, same way I have learned the pattern what he was trying to explain in each and every, and the way he was explaining like first of all he goes to the topics, then Karthikeyan used to uh, go through the patterns of questions. Then we used to solve in the class only. Then we used to discuss over there lively. So these things were like very good, like in this SD and Get SD editor. So it was wonderful. Like this was recursion only. So similarly, I was very much afraid about that graph.
Hmm.
ग्राफ तो मतलब तो मेरे हाथ का ही नहीं है था कि उतना तो हो ही गई. ग्राफ और डीपी दो ऐसे बड़े-बड़े टॉपिक थे मतलब और सबसे एक्सपर्ट बोले ये है कि कोर्स के बाद सबसे एक्सपर्ट इन्हीं 2 टॉपिक्स में. मतलब अगर रिटन असेसमेंट होता है जैसे दिए थे कंपनीज के, तो सबसे पहले था ग्राफ का क्वेश्चन, यही करो, ये देखने में बड़े लगते हैं, अब 4 लाइन के क्वेश्चन होते हैं खाली। सिर्फ सेम एडिक्स डायग्राम लगेगी या शॉर्टर डिस्टेंस वही है, कुछ नहीं हो मतलब ग्राफ ही। तो वो चीज़ जब पढ़ाया कार्तिक ने सिंपल उसमें कुछ हो ये
Yes.
सिमिलरली इफ आई टॉक अबाउट सिस्टम डिज़ाइन कोर्स, तो सिस्टम डिज़ाइन तो भाई ऐसा था कि नेक्स्ट लेवल चाहिए, वो तो हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा। मगर जब स्टार्ट किया, जब विनम्र ने क्लासेस लेना, सो ही स्टार्टेड विद द बेसिक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स, so everything explained about HLD building blocks. Then he started the case studies, and then he started with LLD, basic building blocks and system design and all that. What design patterns we have in LLDs and all that. And after that, we are still the course is going off that LLD part, case studies. So the same thing, how the way he have explained me HLD one by one step. Uh, go through estimation, then schema designs and API design, all that stuff. Same thing I was able to tell in interview also. And one of the which I cracked, Practo. I I got 2 offers. One was from Practo and one was for Popular. So in both the companies we were having first round was DSA and Practo 2 round of DSA, and then it was system HLD round. And then there was behavior that concept functional round was then in Practo. And in Popular, we first round was DSA, and second round was machine coding round, and third was manager round.
Machine coding was for LLD or DSA? Machine LLD.
And machine coding was LLD in Popular, and HLD I did for Practo.
Yeah.
So similarly, how Nimambra told that schema design and API designing, estimation, and project for how you have to explain. Similarly, what they have in Practo, they have asked me notification system, how the system schema will be there, how API design will be there, and how you will do caching and this, what all things you can cache, or same thing, everything was covered in the course. And DSA also, like whatever Karthikeyan have told me format, so mostly it was asked from there only.
Okay. So it's like out of 100 अगर मैं स्कोर करूँ कि कितने क्वेश्चंस कोर्स के अंदर से मतलब जो कोर्स के अंदर जो क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए थे कितने परसेंट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वहीं से आए थे?
Like it was not same, it was similar. Around I guess 80-90% whatever was patterns I have done from same similarly it was there. And 10% what was there, 10% question like in assessment only it was there out of patterns, but in interview it was same only. Uh,
Cool. एंड अच्छा एक और चीज़ इट्स लाइक आपकी पिछली कंपनी से जो नई कंपनी है उसमें कितना परसेंट हाइक मिला आपको?
yeah, so it is around from my current package to Tractor is around 65 and 68%, and Popular was little 60%.
गॉट इट। और इंटरव्यू आपने बताया कि कितने राउंड्स हुए एंड ऑल, लेकिन अगर आपको याद हो कि डीएसए में कौन से क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे तो लाइक वो भी व्यूअर्स के लिए हेल्प हो जाएगा तो।
Yeah, so in Practo, like first round, they have asked me 2 questions in 30 minutes. First one was and related to anagram, and one more question was related to um, something related to palindrome string, not simple palindrome, but there was something related to substring or palindrome or something like that. So 2 simple easy questions in 30 minutes. Then second round in Practo, first question was related to some isomorphic string was there, lead code question, and two SQL question was there. So it was medium question level in practical second level. So in third round it was LLD. So they have given me that notification system. I have to design schemas, API designing, estimations. I have to tell how you will cache uh, those responses, and asynchronous messaging and synchronous messaging, how you will handle Kafka and all that. So what messaging you will be using, like this whole interview there. It was around for fun 1 hour 15 minutes interview. And next round was fourth round was a functional round. It was related to my project, like what I have done, what innovative things I have done in my project, and any problem you have faced for which you have find out solution in your organization, how you resolve that. So like this question was that.
Or
You taught.
yeah, nice. Okay, so I mean, after the course you have taken, right? So my question is like, how long did it take for you to see the results and all? Like before taking the course, and how many months did it take for you to see that okay, it's like I'm improving and all. So
So it's like before taking course, I was not good at ESA. I was thinking to switch the field only. So much scared of ESA. But like after completed ESA course and a little bit of basics of system design, like building blocks of old HLD I have learned and basic building blocks of LLD. So that after that I was able to find out the results. Like question because it was very much diversified. I have been uh, good at two pointers and DP in order, but the interview is asking about graph questions. So that things that was happening. It's good.
got it. और अच्छा, जो मुझे पता चला था कि मतलब इंटरव्यू से पहले कि आप शायद रिटेन हो रहे हो करंट कंपनी में ही। तो इससे कि इफ यू कैन टेल कि कैसे ये चीज़ बात की जाती है कि अगर आपको करंट कंपनी में, क्योंकि हो सकता है कि एनवायरनमेंट अच्छा हो वहाँ पे, टीम भी अच्छी हो, काम भी अच्छा मिल रहा हो, लेकिन आप चाहते हो कि रिटेन हो। उसकी वजह से कैसे बात की है? अगर उसका एक्सपीरियंस अगर आप बता पाओ?
So it's like so I was there in this company around 3.5 years. Uh, 3.5 years plus 6 months internship year. So it was like I'm an old employee over there, and I have done many acceleration tickets in less time for the clients in the biggest client of this company. So that good impression have in my team manager also and the director which is there in the USA. So that helped me a lot for retention. So I put my resignation in a way that I want to be retained over here. It's not like to be harsh, no, nothing. So in a positive sense, I have put that paper. I just friendly, I have called my manager. So I told all the scenarios. Whatever you are offering me now, it's less than the market. So market is giving more money, and there should be market correction in mind. So I think, and one more thing happened that my manager he promised me to give me hike in mid year.
ओके,
So that he was not able to get from the management side. So that was also plus point for
या
me. So I discussed with the manager friendly. So he talked to his manager and his manager talked to director and director was in favor of me. He already know that I have my capabilities to resolve big issues and work on execution. So those things happens. Uh, so after that, that director had mailed to the vice president of my company that I want this member. He is very much valuable for me. So so the package what I have put to them, but was higher for them also because they have to check the parity ratio. It should not that I am getting too much and the others are getting too much less. But when director was in my favor, so he based on their feedback, they asked me to retain it.
गॉट इट, या। And yeah, it's like one more question. It's like, do you have any feedback for the classes and all? It's like it can be good and bad, anything, but any feedback you want to give?
Um, like things are very much good over here. The instructor, how PhD have what instructor they have like Karthik was very good explaining things. It's like the way he is explaining. It's not about teaching. The way he is explaining to each and every topics that is important. And how Vinamra was explaining HRD, how to make the diagram. Similarly, I was making diagram in interview also. How he have explained it. So this was very much good. And if I talk about improvement side, like this, Get HD have done many things, but like it depends on a student enthusiasm also whether they want to do or not. Live classes are there, but if you are not able to attend it, you can watch the recorded section. And I have seen that you are giving test in between also. Dark classes was there regularly, daily it was there. And yeah, so improvement side, but depends upon students also whether they want to do or not. If we can have like a daily one question, like your task is do this one question. In DSA, we are going to two-pointer design. So daily you give just one question. If they want, they will definitely practice it. And those who want to practice, they will practice like that only.
Yeah.
Without any pressure from the course side to do daily class. Depend upon like कितना मतलब अंदर से करने का जज्बा.
ठीक है,
बिल्कुल जी.
ठीक है। और लास्ट क्वेश्चन इट्स लाइक कि अगर आउट ऑफ 5 या आउट ऑफ 10 आपको इट्स लाइक कि स्कोर करना हो कोर्स को, इट्स लाइक हाउ लाइकली आर यू टू रिकमेंड दिस कोर्स टू योर फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑल? तो कितना दोगे आप?
For me, it's like uh, it's 10 on 10. Like I have get the results from this, and when I'm getting results, it's fully valuable for me only, and for the one who is very much enthusiastic to learn DSA and system design. It's very much important. Like मतलब वो जिज्ञासा ही है पूरी, अगर हो करना है तो. क्योंकि मतलब पकड़ा के आपको नहीं सिखा सकता कि ऐसे से कर लो. सही बात.
नहीं, वो तो है। कूल, कूल। ठीक है, चलो। थैंक यू मिराज फॉर शेयरिंग योर एक्सपीरियंस एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर।
थैंक यू.